You clicked on this video for a reason, to fix Counter-Strike 2 getting stuck on the loading screen and actually get into matches again. I got you, so stick with me. I'll show the fixes that work right now, and the ones people skip that usually solve it fast. First, verify your game files. Open Steam, right-click Counter-Strike 2, go to Properties. Installed files. Verify integrity. A single corrupted file can trap the game on the loading screen after updates, and this fixes it more often than anything else. Next, clear your launch junk. Disable custom launch options and remove any old config tweaks. Then go to your CS2 config folder and temporarily rename it, so the game generates fresh settings on launch. Bad configs are a huge cause of infinite loads. Now check overlays and background apps. Turn off Discord overlay, NVIDIA overlay, and any screen recorders. CS2 can hang during map load, when overlays hook into the game at the wrong time. Close everything non-essential before launching. Update your GPU drivers and Windows. CS2 is extremely sensitive to outdated graphics drivers. Even one version behind can cause stalls on the loading screen. After updating, restart your PC before launching the game again. If it still sticks, switch to full screen windowed once you get into settings, or force it through Steam launch options. Some systems hang on exclusive full screen during map initialization. Pro tip: if the freeze only happens when joining servers, it's often network related. Restart your router, disable VPNs, and make sure your firewall isn't blocking CS2 or Steam networking. Connection stalls can look like loading freezes. If this video helped you, hit the like and sub. If not, drop a comment with your PC specs and where it freezes, and I'll help you dial it in.